Hello and welcome to another episode of Z-Tech. Today we will be looking at Internet DNS connectivity issues. So DNS, Domain Name Systems, is known for translating domain names into IP addresses. So if you're ever experiencing DNS issues, this means you basically can't surf the web properly, or you can't connect to the web page that you want to connect to properly. So it looks something like this. So if we open Internet Explorer and we try going to a website like www.bbc.co.uk, so we'll receive the following error message. Make sure you've got the right web page address and you won't be able to navigate to the certain website. So each website has their own IP address. So to troubleshoot your DNS issue, navigate to the command prompt and enter in the following command: ipconfig/all, and from there you will be able to see your DNS server settings. As you can see, my DNS server is located here, and here are the settings for the DNS server. So to troubleshoot this issue, navigate the following command into Windows Run, search ncpa.cpl and then press OK. Go to your adapter, Ethernet adapter settings, right click, go on properties. From there go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on properties. From there we can see that we've got the wrong DNS server configured, so we need to delete this entry. And what we need to do is click on obtain DNS server address automatically, and from there we press close. We can close this as well. We can also enter in the following command: into the command prompt, and that command is ipconfig//DNS. And what this does is clears the cache of name to IP address entries and reloads them onto the connected DNS server. So what we're going to do is close this and test our internet connection once again. And if we can navigate to a certain website, this has worked and resolved the DNS issue. So what I'm going to do is navigate to bbc.co.uk, and as you can see, this has resolved the DNS issue and we can successfully load the website. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.